Oh, I hope you go out and get you drunk. Call me and ask me to pick you up. Falling over all of the words I cannot never met. Oh, I know that I will be patient now. Wouldn't get told you my lover's down. No, I will be more kind to you and your friends. Sorry, I was selfish and so insecure. I've been back in therapy, but still ain't cured. No, you like to know that I'm sober again. No, no, I've come a real long way. I thought you'd like to hear me say sorry again. No, I fucked up. No, doesn't mean you did no wrong. Even shouldn't last that long. No, 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 again. Oh, no, 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 again. Oh, no, 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 again. I've been giving up on all my toxic traits. Wake up in the morning and I meditate. Sweat it all out before I jump into a new romance. Baby, you don't care about I've been doing this. Said they're gonna give me something called Wellbutrin. Hey, maybe it takes stop feeling sad. No, no, I've come a real long way. Thought you'd like to hear me say sorry again. I know I fucked up. No, doesn't mean you did no wrong. They even shouldn't last that long.